Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P, Euro, and Oil update recap video for April 26, 2012. Today was a very bullish day called Three White Soldiers. 3 days in a row, bullish. I'm not buying into this rally. I don't think it was here to last. We actually got a Spain downgrade after the close. So 1400 I talked about. If we close above 1400, that would be huge. However, we're not closing above 1400, and I am a little bit skeptical. I think this rally that we just had for 3 days is a little overextended, overbought, and I think we test back down. So we're still in this 1335 to 1420 range. Let's look at the daily chart, and on the daily, it was all upside all day long. Never looked back. I guess a little look back at the end of the day, but we have GDP tomorrow, which should be huge. But a very bull day, a very strong day today. We opened up this morning at 1383.75, and I talked about it, how the higher low comes 80% of the time within the first hour. We marched basically higher all day. We had a lot of overlapping bars into part of the day. Then at 11:30s, off to the races. A bull candle here at 12:15. High of the day, 1398.25. We kept taking out the high of the day by a tick or two. Very, very strong day. Let's look at oil. Oil, strong day as well. Opened up at 104.20. Got as high as almost 105. A lot of traps in here in oil. Lots of traps in oil. And then oil ended up higher. If we bring into the daily, we're in the cloud right now, 104 double. This is very, very important for oil. This 104 double area. 105.50 is the upside. We tested the downside, 101.70, but overlapping bars in oil, looking for a breakout. In the euro, we're still on this triangle pattern, and this triangle pattern, is going to break out at some point. I think the euro tested the downside before the upside, but we are in this triangle pattern. One more I want to look at real quick was Amazon, off to the races in the after-hour session. Amazon's getting to this 220 level. It actually took out 220 level right now. Huge, huge short squeeze. The next test will be to 226. This is the gap. So Amazon can get as high as 226. I think possibly. This is the gap down from last earnings. So Amazon took out this 210 as off to the races. Way, way higher. Actually had a put fly on for earnings. The most I can lose when I put on a put fly is what it can be worth. So it worked out well on Apple. I had an Apple call fly on, and I had a Netflix put fly on. Those both worked well. Amazon, I will lose what I paid for it. So this is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com, and that's your video recap for April 26, 2012. Have a great night, guys.